Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian Berry. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about my transition to a raw vegan diet, how it happened, what happened, and why I do it. About 8.5 years ago, when my first daughter May was born, I was plagued with a number of health problems. So I had chronic fatigue. Even just walking up the stairs, I would be tired. I had headaches. I had major digestive problems. So my bowels were just a mess. I had diarrhea a lot, sometimes blood in my stool. Sometimes I'd be constipated on the other hand. My skin was a mess. My back would break out, my chest, sometimes even my stomach and my upper thighs would break out. I had chronic yeast infections, chronic UTIs. I was depressed. I had anxiety. I had major panic attacks. I don't know if any of you have ever had panic attacks, but they're horrible. I also had sinus problems, you name it. It wasn't a good time. So anyway, I went to a lot of doctors and nobody could figure out what was wrong. So around about the 18th doctor's appointment, this one doctor said, maybe you have celiac. So I thought, what is that, right? I went home and started researching and I realized it's basically a gluten allergy. It's an autoimmune problem with gluten. So I removed gluten from my diet. Within 24 hours, I felt amazing. I felt like a new person. It felt like so much brain fog had been lifted and my body just felt a huge sense of relief, like something, like it was so happy to not be getting something that was so bad anymore. That's when I started to realize the effects food have on the body. So I started doing more research and spent a lot of my time researching the effect that had on the human body and on my body. I realized after reading how much the effect of dairy on the body, how it can be filled with inflammation and cause mucus in the body and have so many different effects, such as breaking out your skin, this and that. So I thought that makes sense, so I'll remove dairy. So I removed dairy and my skin cleared up after removing gluten and dairy and my sinus problems went away. So I was really improving, but I still didn't feel like I was at optimal health. I would still crash in the afternoons, get tired. I didn't feel like I knew I could improve. So one night I was reading something by Dr. Seppi about raw living foods and how they're just optimal for the body and how they're loaded with enzymes, water content, so many nutrients that make you feel so alive. Then I started reading about other people who do raw food diets and I thought, this is strange. I've never heard of this before. How have I never heard of this before? This sounds amazing and seems to make a lot of sense because our stoves and stuff like that don't seem all that natural after all. So I thought, okay, I'll try it. I'd tried anything at this point. I'd even tried the blood type O diet to see how this would make me feel, which is a heavy meat diet because my blood type is O, so there's some people that recommend doing that. And I didn't feel great on it. The next day after reading this material about the raw diet, I gave it a shot. I felt incredible, the best I'd ever felt in my whole life. It was literally the best day of my life. By the end of the day, my husband at the time was even like, wow, like you seem so alert and so happy. It was a huge difference. I couldn't believe how I felt. Honestly, I felt like this is how I'm meant to feel. I can't believe I feel this way. I'd never felt that good on any drugs or high or anything ever before. It felt so good just eating living foods. I was hooked right away. When I transitioned like that, I only ate raw living foods in their natural state. So with a raw living diet, you don't eat anything that's heated above around 108 degrees Fahrenheit. So I wasn't really eating anything dehydrated anyways. I was eating fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. And with my salads, I was only having avocado, not even like a dressing. So the transition went great for me. The way I look at it, there was life before raw, life after raw. I feel so much like myself now, so connected to the universe, so connected to God, and so happy. All my health problems literally cleared up. I never get sick. My energy is through the roof. My skin has cleared up. It's an anti-aging diet. If you see pictures of me when I was 28, I looked older then than I do now at 38. Fortunately for me, when I transitioned to the raw diet, I didn't have any detox symptoms, which is great. I know a lot of people can have detox symptoms and some people it can be worse before it gets better for a lengthy period of time. So for me, that wasn't the case, which was amazing. And I also want to note, for me, I felt so good right away too, because I didn't have to come off coffee, alcohol, or sugar. I had already weaned myself off of those things a little while prior to going raw. I did used to consume coffee every day, wine every day, and sugar every day, but that was a little while before the transition. So if you are transitioning while having those things, it will be a little bit harder because you'll be in the withdrawal period for anywhere up to a few weeks. Going raw is by far the best thing I've ever discovered and the best thing I've ever done with my entire life. I absolutely love it, thrive on it. It is like a new life. It is why I created this channel because I'm so passionate about it. It's totally changed my life. It's changed what I attract into my life, the amazing people, the amazing situations. I follow my purpose now. For me, I fall in love with the diet even more every day with all the exciting recipes and just as my taste buds change and as the palate change. I do want to point out too, a lot of things have improved with me and one amazing thing is my vision has improved as well. I was born with a prescription of plus 550 my whole life, and it has gone down a couple points since being raw vegan. There's lots of raw vegans who go to 2020, so I'm hopefully looking forward to that one day. It's a very healing diet. It's the best thing I've ever done with my life. I hope this video did inspire you. If it did, give it a big thumbs up right now. Comment down below if you have any questions about the raw vegan diet, or check out my video gallery. I'm super passionate about this lifestyle, and I love creating new videos every week for you to watch. Have a good day, and I will see you next time.